Welcome to GS2 Web Sauce Form by GsheetPress. Checkbox field type is 4, letting visitors select more than one option effortlessly. Let's build one together. Say a field asking visitors what topics they're interested in. 1. Start with your label, the question visitors will see. I filled topics you are interested in. 2. Set the input type to checkbox. 3. Mark it required, if you want to make sure they select at least one. 4. List your options in the data column, separated by commas. I filled SEO, WordPress, email marketing, analytics. 5. Want some boxes pre-checked? Add them to default, so I added SEO, analytics. And a quick tooltip, filled select all that apply, removes any confusion. Then run Publish Form from the menu. That's it. Respondents will now see a checkbox when they open your form. And behind the scenes, every selection saves cleanly as comma-separated text, right in your response sheet.